Your angel number is more like your lucky number. What number's been following you? What's been your favorite number? What has been a number that has always shown up in your life? That's kind of what I call your angel number. Because for me, for example, I'm not a huge tattoo person, but I do have this 1111 on my wrist. And it was because that number followed me for many, many years. And I saw it everywhere. I would see it in the most ridiculous places. It's almost like somebody, behind the scenes was pushing me to look at the clock at that particular time. And it was more than coincidence. It was definitely synchronicity. It was message. So I always tell people it's kind of like when people say make a wish when you see 1111. Well, there's a lot more to it than just saying make a wish. Because, if you add up 1111, that's four. Four is the angelic number because it is that energy that the spiritual realm uses to permeate and manifest into the physical. So that's why you talk about it being the angel number, because earth angels or angels that swoop in to save the day and then they're gone, it's that particular frequency that they travel with, or they slow their energy down. So, there's a lot more to that, but I always say, look to the numbers that follow you, look to the patterns and the sequences that are around you. And those are your angel numbers. Those are the messages. Those are the key numbers that you need to be focusing in on and decoding.